The CGI scholarship is currently open for applications. This is the Schulabon Graduate Institute scholarship. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the word correctly. So, this is in Thailand, by the way. It's a scholarship in Thailand. Let's have a look at the uh, requirements and the application process. So here is the a brief description of the scholarship, and then these are the programs that are covered for the scholarship: applied biological sciences, environmental health, environmental toxicology, and chemical sciences. So there are 15 scholarships available for international students for master's degree. Here's the eligibility criteria. The scholarship is open for you if you are under 30 years of age, and there's no exemption. You need to have a bachelor degree with a GPA of 2.75, a cumulative GPA of 2.75 in one of these fields. So have a look at the fields carefully. And then applicants from other related fields are also welcome. But you must have experience in scientific laboratory research. You must demonstrate English proficiency, so preferably TOEFL or IELTS. So you are not sure, probably you are required to have taken one of these tests, and you also have to do like a statement of purpose to explain your interest in the field that you are going to choose, or the field that you are interested in. So here are the fields again. The scholarship covers, this is a fully funded scholarship. It covers tuition, any other academic fees. You get a round trip fare, visa fare, settlement allowance, and there is also for accommodation, a monthly stipend, book allowance, health insurance, and others. Um, the scholarship is for 2 years. The master's degree is 2 years, but you start with a 6 week refresher course and then you get into your master's degree. And also, the scholarship will be subject to your annual satisfactory progress, so which means you'll be reviewed annually, and for you to continue, you have to have satisfactory performance, academic performance. And they may terminate your scholarship if you don't meet the academic criteria that will be set for you. So the refresher courses will start June 2025, sorry, that's tentatively. And then the official program will start August 2025. Here's the application procedure. Uh, you are required to complete the application form for international applicants, and then there are some supporting documents that you have to submit along with your application form. So the first thing is to send via email the scanned files of the application form and all the supporting documents. That's the first thing that you need to do, and this is the email address that you are going to send your application documents to. Step two is to, after you have sent these documents via email, then you need to send the documents via postal service to this address. This means you have to I'm gonna use DHL because it's well known. So you have to send by courier your documents to this address before the application deadline. No consideration will be given without the application form and supporting documents before the closing date. So you need to make sure that you start your application as soon as possible so that you are able to DHL your documents and they can reach the institution before the specified deadline. We'll have a look at the deadline shortly. These are the supporting documents. You need a full academic transcript for your undergraduate degree, 3 recommendation letters, statement of purpose explaining your interest in the field that you have selected or in the field of in your study, medical history report, which means you have to see a doctor and do a medical report. And then if you have any other supplementary documents that you think will facilitate the application screening, then you are allowed to attach those documents. The scholarship deadline is 30 September 2024. You have plenty of time to send through your application. You have plenty of time to gather all the required documents, send them by email, and then send them by courier so that they can reach the institution before the specified deadline. If you are selected for the scholarship, you'll be notified around January 2025. Here are the documents that you can download. So you can download the application form and then the medical history. So this is the form that you're going to give to your doctor to complete. The application form, I'll do a separate video explaining how you fill in the application form. This video will not be available on YouTube, but it will be available on my Patreon. So you can join through the link in the video description so that you can have access to the exclusive video that I'm going to make explaining how to fill in the application form. If you have any more information concerning the scholarship, here are the contact details. They've put the address, they've put their email, their website, and also their telephone numbers. So I think it's quite a straightforward application. You just need to get all your documents together, send them by email, and then send them by courier so that they can reach the institution before the deadline. If you need me to review your documents before you submit, especially your application form, as well as your statement of purpose, please feel free to book an application review through the video, through the link in the video description. Sorry, the link is in the video description. I'll be happy to have a look at your documents and provide feedback before you submit. Also, remember to join my Patreon so that you can get fast scholarship updates. The link is also in the video description.